Hi everyone. So for week 4, I chose question number 2. When are text messaging and email appropriate in business communication and why? So business communication has changed throughout the years. We've been able to see the transitioning from sending emails and phone calls to having the ability of sending text messages to our colleagues. We just need to figure out when is it now appropriate. So text messaging is an alternative that is increasingly the new norm. In fact, it was the most requested communication channel in 2017. Surveys also show that 80% of professionals currently use texting for business purposes, and nearly 70% of employees think texting should be used for inter-office communication. So when communicating with your manager, it's usually appropriate to text them if there's a need for an urgent response. If the matter isn't urgent or personal, would require the employee to send an email or to just pick up the phone and call their manager. In regards to communicating with colleagues via text message, it's also been recommended to avoid sending non-work related messages during work hours as it is highly unproductive. And along with that, you might also come off as a slacker. And avoid texting team members after working hours unless you are having a personal connection with them outside of work. Now, the employees also have the option to send an email as well if they prefer this form of communication. Emails are a great way of communicating with colleagues within the company, whether they're in a different department or if they're located internationally. When sending emails, this also allows you to send more content than you usually would in a text message. In many organizations, the company's clients prefer to receive communication through email instead of text message, because they also believe that sending a text message can be too personal when handling business. Emails are easy to print and file or download and store on computers, while text messages can be downloaded and stored with appropriate business text messaging software. Customers wouldn't have access to these services and may be comfortable receiving messages they can print and collect. So again, they just like to have that paper trail for themselves if they need to recall anything in the future. Thanks so much for watching and see you all next week.